Okay, so here we have my new Seagull models Japanese Zero 86 inch. I'm running Powerbox V3 twin receivers, ignition, electric retracts JP, and a EME 60 single kindly sent over from Mike from Mile High RC in the States. Had a couple of flights, so far going well, just doing a couple of fine tuning, CG, etc. But yeah, everything's internal on this one. The ignition light, everything's inside the, actually I'll show you, inside the canopy. There's not the tidiest in there, but it works and nothing seems to come loose. But JP's receiver, big 700 litre, sorry, 700 mil, not 700 litre, 700 mil fuel tank. A little ignition in there. Anyway, we'll fire it up and see what she does. Hopefully it goes. So, ignition light there, armed, and set to my button, and should start. Not too bad.